I just hit the record button, so you want to key it one more time anyway. Hey, 127, have a nice Father's Day. We get back with you. 351 CM Poundy, Small Watts is gone.
Oh, you ain't kidding, man. I don't know what your head sounds like, but mine is a kaleidoscope train. It's coming from all over the place, no doubt a doubt. All right, there, 351 is what we're going to do. I'm going to sit back and let our video games do what our video games ought to do. The whole world, look on the oak shop. The master plan, the minor stuff. The platinum fingers in the stock mic is gone.
Alright, it's all you there, 127 that time, so you'll be able to hear it. We'll get back with you. Take care. We'll let this gate roll a little bit. I'm back quiet. Ranger 1,